Hey guys, Callender here with the MSI Concept Meetup group. Who's ready to learn crypto? And we've got a couple of things going on. Not too many trades I'm going to take today, but we'll just pull up a quick screen share on here of the software, see what we're looking at. Had a couple of trades that executed earlier this month, but we're going to keep things going. Looking at the Trade Finder software with Project ICP. We've got it in here. As you can see, lots of squeezes right now. If you don't know squeeze, bubble, and dip yet, definitely get on the boot camp so you can check those out. But we are looking at a couple of different charts. You'll be able to learn all of this in the boot camp with Project ICP. That is at msimind.com/Bitcoin. So you will be able to get access to that. The boot camp is free, so definitely jump on that. When you get a chance, it's about an hour long to learn the different techniques. This is the site msimind.com/Bitcoin. A quick overview video, and then you can see a video on the trading portal as well, which is the software that I use to trade with, and as well as everything that I've learned with Project ICP on how to trade and profit with crypto. So you have all of that information inside of there. But there's only really one dip right now, and looking at it, not too great in the market with the way the chart is. So we'll be waiting for that to develop a little bit more before we jump into that one. So nothing to trade for this particular time while we're on. But definitely had some trades already execute. I'll pull over the trade history. So had a little bit of profit, about 3% on the Bitcoin jump. So bought it at around 26. Sold it at 27.7. As you can see there, what I usually do is I enter in my buy trade, and then I'll immediately enter in my sell trade, and I'll let that sit until it hits. I'll set a limit trade and then wait until that trade hits. So then that trade is hit, and then it completes, and then you have your profits. And I'll be looking for the next trade, and I'll do it, repeat the cycle. And then you keep growing your balance and repeating those trades. Looks like we got a couple more dips popping up. So we might be able to get one in today. Look, it's getting there. That's a pretty good dip. Let's see what we've got here. Oh, that's a strong dip. Might take this one here. Let's see if we can get a good trade there. And I am trading on Binance. You can choose which exchange you're looking at right now. It's got Coinbase and Binance in there. So you can definitely choose which one you're looking to trade with. And then you can do a bunch of different sorting. So just depending on what you're looking for. But I stick with Binance US. But depending on where you're located, you can trade differently. But let's take a look and see if I can get this particular trade. Take a look. I want to identify that. Looks like it's already swinging back up. I'll pull this into the window, see what we're looking at here. So there was the slight dip. Now it's already starting to retrace. So we might have just missed that one. But we'd wait for it, generally wait for it to dip again anyways. You learned that in the boot camp. So we won't jump on this one right now. We'd wait for the next dip, but I may still look into that while we're may put an alert on it, see if it dips a little bit lower. If we could have caught this candlestick, this wick right here, Might have been able to jump in good here and then ride that back up really quickly. But not this particular time, didn't get in there fast enough while I was getting everything loaded up. But definitely using the portal, be able to check that out and see everything in here. This is where everything's located. Let me do a quick refresh, see if there's anything else popping up. No. Oh, but that was definitely a dip right there. We want to see another dip, see if it goes any lower, see if you can catch that wick coming out. If we would have been able to catch it at the bottom of this wick, that would have been good. Wicks are definitely huge when you catch those. But depending on what pops up on the software and what you're looking at trading, always definitely view your risks. Definitely check out the different disclaimers. I'll put that in the description as well when you're using the software to trade. There are a lot of things to consider when you go into trading. So definitely make sure that you've got all your bases covered when you're looking at trading. And I'll get the disclaimer and throw it up on the screen as well as we close out. I'm not going to do any additional trades today, but I'll keep an eye out on Maker because it looks like it's going to be moving pretty good today. But we'll keep an eye out on that. Definitely look at the disclaimers, trading disclaimer. So definitely make sure you are doing your due diligence and make sure that you know what you're looking to trade, what you're looking to do with your trades, because there are different results. The results are all the same. Definitely make sure that you learn more about trading before you get into the markets. But you can paper trade, you can do the boot camp for free and learn everything for free and practice until you get your skills up. And then you can start trading with real money in the markets. But that's all we got for this month. We will be doing this every third Saturday for the crypto events. We'll get them up on YouTube as well on the recordings. Hopefully we'll be taking some more trades each time. But definitely if I take any trades before this, I'll go over the history of that, show what I traded. But definitely wanted to share that with everybody this month. Definitely appreciate everybody watching. Continue and be sure to join us on the meetup group. That will be in the description as well. So you can get in live and get your questions answered if you happen to have any. Thanks for watching.